Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This is brought by their new Lil Diamonds line, which is basically smaller diamond paintings made that are kid friendly, or even if you're an adult, get some like nostalgia coming. And yeah, it's a nice in-between project because it's nice and small. But they did not hold back quality based on it being like a small and kid-friendly diamond painting. It's super cute. So this one is Raph, like Raphael from the Ninja Turtles, which this, like my kid, Zach, I have two kids. So I have Nora, who's 8, and I have Zach, who just turned 12. But when Zach was Nora's age, he was obsessed with Ninja Turtles, like the newer one, I have to say. I can't even remember the theme song now, but every time we would walk by those, I don't even know, like the sewage things, like on roads and stuff, he would always say, "There's turtles in there." So it brings back lots of memories, and they have all sorts of different characters. This is going to be released on Wednesday, so if you're not part of their VIP group, I'll have the link down below. Go ahead and join it. You can see what else is coming, because all sorts of things. I think all the Ninja Turtles are coming, a few other different characters. So this one is Raph, and you can see their little diamonds logo there. It is a round drill. It is 28 centimeters by 23 centimeters, so it's a nice small diamond painting here. And you could see box here, full diamond painting coverage area. So yes, even like the blue background will be covered. It says 5 colors, including 1 AB. Total diamonds, 8,200. Look at that. So many details for you, and nice simple instructions. Press, pick, place, kit contents. And they are licensed with these characters, which I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe they are the only company that actually has the licensing and rights to produce products with these characters. So it is completely legit with Diamond Art Club. Everything that they do is. So let's go ahead and open it up for you. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Look how cute this is. So if you've been a Diamond Art Club fan, like for a long time, you've gotten like a bunch of their big kits and stuff. They just made everything mini, but it's the same quality, and I just love it. So we're gonna open it up here. And now the box did come wrapped in plastic already as well, but I went ahead and I took the plastic off the box. Here we are, look at this. Okay, I'm just going to flatten this out real quick. And since they have poured glue, the easiest way to do that is to just pull it up corner at a time, just like this. And then just lay it right back down. It won't be perfectly flat right off the bat, but it will lay down enough to where you can, work on top of it. And it does self-flatten too, like as it sits. This just kind of helps get the process going. There we go. But look how cute it is. It does still have their velvety feel, and you could see like the glitter and the sparkles in the canvas. So nice, simple. We have the easy symbols here. Look at that, 310, 907. It's a good one to practice your multi-placing. I know I've seen some of those multi-placing wheels before. So if you have been wanting to give that a whirl, you should get yourself one of these and you can practice on it. Fabulous! So you still have one of these, just like their big paintings. You still get your start date and end date little sticker here with all the details in the picture. You can use these while you kit up. And they have the individualized stickers too, as you can see. So if your kid wants to, do some kitting up to be just like you, they get all the works. Isn't that cute? I love it. And we also have the instructions here. Now, did I miss the toolkit? Yeah, the toolkit was in the bottom of the box. Get out of there. Maybe. We'll go through that too. You still have your instructions and everything with your QR codes. This just gives you a quick step-by-step tips and tricks. What is included in the kit, their Facebook group, different QR codes, things like that. And let's see, we'll go through the toolkit and then we'll take a look at the drills. So here is the toolkit. Whoop. Okay, so we have a blue pen to match. Look at that. We have, oh boy, all sorts of baggies. This is awesome. We have 5 colors and like a bazillion baggies. Oh man, awesome. We have a matching little squishy that goes on the drill pin right here. Look at this. I swear, if you've watched any of my other unboxing videos, I can never get these. Oh, look, I did it. I'm over here droning about how I never get it. Oh, look, you get a 4-placer. Aw. I can't imagine my 8-year-old 4-placing. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So you get the full drill pin. You get your 2 heart waxes and a clear tray. So everything you need to complete this diamond painting. Put that over here. Set the stickers aside. Let's go ahead and look at the drills. See what that AB looks like. So in the comments, tell me if you have purchased any of these Lil Diamonds kits, and I'm curious, did you complete it, or was it for like your kid or a kid family member of sorts? Just wondering. Okay, here's what we got. We have 5200. That's the white here. Ooh, and here's our AB. It's 114, and yeah, that's gonna be his little head thing. Oh, the only thing red on here. Yeah. We have our 310s. 907, a pretty bright green. And then we have 2 3845s for the background. Looks amazing. I absolutely love that they launched these lines. Because yeah, sometimes if your kid wants to diamond paint, like I know Nora, that's my 8-year-old, she always wants to diamond paint with me, but you know, we spend a lot of money on our canvases and then we get emotionally attached to them. At least I do anyway. And like I want her to hang out with me and stuff, but at the same time I like don't want her anywhere near my canvas. So yeah, it's like a little side project for her. You could sit by me, but don't touch my stuff. Like, here's mine, here's yours, you know? But yeah, this is their Lil Diamonds brand. And yeah, I want to know if you all have purchased and what you did with it. So again, this is Raph, and join their Facebook Diamond Art Club, the VIP group. I'll have the link down below, and check out the other characters that they're releasing. Also, if you're brand new to Diamond Art Club, as in you haven't made a purchase before, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description of this video. And go ahead and purchase through there to get yourself a discount, and I will get a small commission for the referral. So yeah, check out that link too if you're brand new. All sorts of crazy new things coming, y'all. I'm excited. But yeah, I appreciate you all watching. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're new, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything, and give the video a thumbs up on your way out. Bye everyone.